Welcome to the tutorial on Google Meet. Log into your Google account, type in your email address and password. Open the menu in the upper right-hand corner and choose Meet. Choose New Meeting if you want to organize a meeting. If you click on Create a Meeting for later, you will get a link to copy and send to people you want to meet with. If you click Start an Instant Meeting, the meeting will begin automatically and you can add the addresses of the people you want to meet with or send them the link to the meeting. You can schedule the meeting in Google Calendar. Add the title of your meeting. Choose the time and the date. You can add guests by typing in their Gmail addresses. Click Save. You can view your scheduled meeting in the calendar. Thank you.